My story began being the son of a maintenance man, and a maintenance man by day, and pretty much a janitor at night for one of the larger law firms in this particular area. And so my dad worked as a maintenance man, and in the evening times, the family would gather up, me and my 5 brothers and sisters, and we would go to the law firm and we would clean it. We would take out the trash. We would Windex the countertops. We did the whole janitorial service. I started that probably at about 5 or 6 years old. And so by the time I was a teenager, I had been around the halls of the law firm, around the halls of courthouses. I had been around lawyers. And I remember one particular day, my dad was working in that law firm, cleaning up or fixing something. And I told him, I said, man, I want to be just like you. And he said, no, he said, that's good to hear. He said, but I want you to be better than me. And at that moment, I decided that I wouldn't be a maintenance man, but that I would be an attorney. From that point, fate kind of took over. After law school, wanted to stay in Baton Rouge to work for the attorney that I was clerking for at the time, but they didn't have a position for me. So I wound up moving back to Lafayette, hanging my own shingle, opening a firm on a shoestring budget, metal chairs in the lobby for lobby furniture, but people kept coming in. Settled my first case, kept investing, and here we are today, the Thibeaux Firm. We really, at the Thibeaux Firm, want our clients to come out with more money than the lawyers. And the way it works in personal injury is that you don't pay a retainer, you don't give an attorney upfront money. He gets paid off of the proceeds of the settlement. Contingency fees are usually 33%. If the case moves into litigation, it can move up to 40, even 45%, even 50%. At the Thibeaux Firm, we charge a flat fee of 25%, no matter what stage the case is in. And so it's our way of making sure that the client always comes out with the biggest piece of the pie. We have a heart that says you suffered the pain, so you deserve most of the gain. I believe in the old philosophers. They said that the definition of justice is to give each man his due. And in a car accident or some type of a personal injury situation, a person loses something through the fault of another. And justice would demand that that person be repaid, be compensated, be put back to the place that they were in before the loss. And so that's what drives us at Thibeaux Firm, justice.